Step 21. Inventory and restocking strategy. Running out of stock is one of the biggest mistakes on Amazon. A smart inventory and restocking plan keeps your sales consistent. Why inventory matters. Out of stock equals lost ranking. Consistent stock equals stable sales. If you go out of stock, you lose both sales and organic ranking. Keeping stock available ensures you maintain visibility and momentum. Forecast demand, seasonal trends, sales history. Forecast demand by checking sales history, seasonal trends, and upcoming events. Always plan 1 to 2 months ahead. Use Amazon tools. Restock inventory report, inventory dashboard. Amazon provides tools like the Restock inventory report and inventory dashboard to help you know when and how much to reorder. Safety stock, caution, buffer stock for delays. Always keep safety stock to cover unexpected shipping delays or sudden spikes in demand. Reorder strategy. Reorder before hitting 30 days left. Place new orders when you have about 30 days of inventory left. This prevents stockouts while accounting for production and shipping time. Up next, Step 22. Scaling your business. With inventory under control, you're ready to focus on scaling your Amazon business to the next level.